What's good, YouTube? I'm back. It's been about 2-3 weeks, but I'm back. I promise I won't be gone that long anymore. But you know me, and if you don't me, I'll explain something about myself. I am the most impulsive person ever. Like, I'll just see something and then I'll be like, that's what I want to do. I want to do that now. I think it's like an ADD or like a something. I don't know. But I was on Instagram. I seen this brand that I never heard of before. They had a pair of shoes that I liked. And I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna give it a try. So I got the package today, finally. I'm gonna unbox it and we're just gonna get lit. I got my little trusty Supreme knife here. If I could just open it up. There you go. How you guys doing, by the way? You know, a lot of content creators just want to show off and shit. I really want to know how you guys are doing. So how you guys doing? Everyone's mom is okay? COVID not fucking with your family? I hope it isn't. Here we go. Let's get into it. The box is upside down because I didn't want to show the tracking information and my address and shit. That's why it's upside down. So let me get it together. Okay, here we go. These are from the company called Wolfe. There's like an E at the end of Wolf, so I hope they still pronounce it Wolf. And it's not like Naked Wolfie. I couldn't tell you. This is a pretty dope little box here. Here it is. Let me close my laptop screen over here. So I got the shoes. Oh, nice little wrapping paper with the logo on it. Wow, and they come individually packaged in bags. Each shoe, they smell great. I guess I'll open this one first. So these are called the Naked Wolf Kosa greens, and they look fucking huge. I knew that there was a platform type of shoe, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Hope they fit me. I think I got my right size. I guess we'll find out. They also have this little Velcro patch right here. It's pretty dope. It looks kind of like a fox or like a wolf. I guess that's what they were going for, because that's the name of the fucking company. But it's cool, it's right there. There should be some green ones that it comes with. Let me see if that's in the box somewhere. Yeah, so they come with green ones right here. I'll open that up later. So when I seen these, I was like, these look different enough but familiar enough to make me want to get them. And now that I'm looking at them, they look real huge. Like, I don't know if this is even my bop right here. So here we go. Let me give you as much of a review as I can give you. So we got this shoe here. It's a real thick boy. It's a real thick boy. It says Naked on the bottom. I'm assuming the other one says Wolf. It's got this like old school Jordan 1-esque type of color blocking here with the white and green. In the same places that you would see like a Jordan 1 Chicago, for instance. Like I said, it's got this little Velcro patch right here. That's pretty dope. The foam padding in the tongue is very, very thick. I'm getting ahead of myself. Green and white upper. The laces are these really huge laces. It's pretty cool. It's got this cool little tongue tab right here on the back of the shoe. It's the little wolf logo or whatever that is supposed to be. Branding in the back, Naked Wolf. I mean, this is like a shoe I've seen, but I've never seen. Returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So they do accept returns, because I might have to take them up on that. I just dropped the whole shoe. Also got these wolves in the front here. It's 5 of them. I like the detail. I love the detail. It's got one right here. It's kind of like Air Force One quality leather. I mean, it's pretty okay. I'm not fully opposed to it. I mean, like, I figured like the shoe would have like a better quality leather. Maybe it'll feel better when I put it on, because the shoe looks really padded. Here is the left shoe. On the bottom it does say Wolf, with the little logo in the front there. I put the green Velcro patch on it to see how it would look. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm like the green more than the white, but pretty much the same as the other shoe other than that. Overall, my initial thoughts when finally having it in my hands is they look huge and they kind of look like they don't fit me. Yeah, that looks pretty big, but I don't know. Maybe it's just the sole. Let me put these shits on and find out if they really fit. These laces are real fluffy, bro. So upon further inspection, they do fit They do fit me surprisingly well. These are marked as a size 11 US, which is, I mean, not my size at all. I'm a size 10, 10 and a half, but they fit me pretty well. I don't know, maybe I've been wearing the wrong shoe size all these years. Please excuse whatever you can see that I have under my bed, because I really don't know what's under there. But yeah, here they are on feet. I mean, I don't know. I think these are the type of shoes that look better with longer pants and not shorts. But I'm gonna give them a chance. I'm not gonna return them yet. I might, I don't know. But they're pretty cool. I mean, they're very different, I can say. They do have that oversized Balenciaga Gucci shoe type of look that I don't really like. But I don't know, I like the colors. I don't really have any green shoes. And not that I would really match with them anyway, but they're pretty different. They're pretty different. I don't have a shoe like this in my closet, and I think it would be cool to have something like this. They do stand out, that's for sure. But here you go. Nice little on foot. And yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about them. Oh yeah, new shoes, nigga. New shoes, nigga. Bro, it is hot in this room. I had to turn my AC off to film this video because I didn't want the feedback into the audio. But yeah, so here we are. I took them off. These are them again. Final thoughts. I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical out of 10. I mean, like, they look cool. I don't know if I'm the right person to pull these off. The tag is still on here, so I can return them still. And I might have to do that. But regardless, I want to know what you guys think about these. Is this something that you would be cool with wearing? Is this something that you see the appeal, but you wouldn't like it yourself? Am I crazy for even giving this a shot? Is this basura? Let me know. I don't know, like, I kind of like them. They are very comfortable. I will say that they're very comfortable, and you know, that's that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And they're mowing lawn outside, which is weird because it's about to be a storm soon. But who am I to judge? Like, comment, and subscribe. I got some more videos on the way. It's your boy. And be blessed. And whatever girl's DMs you in right now, I hope you get it. Ladies, if the dude's in your DMs and he's trying his hardest, at least double tap the message. Give it a little like. Don't just completely leave him on scene. That's just heartbreaking.